Hello, beautiful souls. How are you all? I hope you are fine. May God bless you all. Welcome to my channel Glam and Glow Organically, where we embrace natural beauty and wellness. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to many of our heartsick, luscious eyelashes. Long, full lashes not only enhance your eyes but also add a touch of elegance to your overall look. While mascara and false lashes can be quick fixes, let's explore natural ways to achieve those stunning lashes. First and foremost, a balanced diet is crucial. Just like our hair, eyelashes need the right nutrients to grow thick and healthy. Foods rich in vitamins of C, E, and biotin, such as leafy greens, nuts, and fruits, can promote lash growth. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish and flax seeds also play a vital role in maintaining hair health. Hydration is key too, so don't forget to drink plenty of water. Next, let's talk about some wonderful natural remedies. Castor oil is a well-known powerhouse for hair growth. Its nourishing properties can help strengthen and thicken your eyelashes. Simply dip a clean mascara wand into the oil and gently apply it to your lash before bed. Another great option is coconut oil, which is packed with fatty acids and antioxidants. It not only moisturizes your lash but also helps prevent breakage. For those who prefer lighter oils, almond oil is an excellent alternative, rich in vitamin E and proteins that nourish the lash. Aloe vera is another fantastic natural remedy. Its soothing properties and vitamins can enhance lash growth. Mix a little fresh aloe vera gel with a few drops of jojoba oil and apply it to your lash using a clean brush. This combination can promote growth and add a beautiful shine to your lash. You can also use green tea, which is known for its high antioxidant content. Simply brew a cup of green tea, let it cool, and apply it to your lash with a cotton pad. The catechins in green tea help stimulate hair growth and strengthen the lash. Consistency is key when using natural treatments, so make sure to incorporate these remedies into your nightly routine. Additionally, always be gentle with your lash. Avoid rubbing your eyes and be careful when removing makeup to prevent unnecessary damage. Opt for a gentle makeup remover and avoid using waterproof mascara too often, as it can be harsh on your lash. Another important tip is to avoid using eyelash curlers excessively, as they can weaken and break your lash. If you must use one, make sure to do so gently and always use a good quality curler. Also, consider incorporating a lash serum into your routine. Look for one with natural ingredients like peptides and plant extracts that promote growth and nourish the lash. Finally, give your lash a little pampering with regular massages. Gently massage your eyelids and lash line to stimulate blood flow and encourage growth. This simple practice can make a big difference in the overall health of your lash. And remember, patience is essential. Natural methods may take a little longer to show results, but the wait is worth it for naturally thick and healthy lash. That's it for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Glam and Glow Organically for more natural beauty tips. Share your favorite lash growing tips in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, stay radiant and naturally beautiful.